Hey, I know you were enjoying the video, but come, let me tell you a secret real quick. If you want to find out how I get my music to be able to have these videos be interactive and to have my short films look very engaging without saying a word, I use audio. Audio has a lot of artists, different kinds of musics to select from and pick from. It's ideal for content creators, filmmakers like myself, and people across many different spheres of the creative industry. So if you would like to get 70% off the Audio Pro today, please use my code and the link is in the bio. Go ahead and get you something nice for summer. I just kidding, but